Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned my own photo into 3 completely different vector styles using Adobe Illustrator. But this time, instead of endless clicking around like we used to, we're doing it in just a couple of taps, thanks to Illustrator Beta. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First, open Illustrator Beta, create a new artboard, go to File, Open, and select your photo. If you don't see the contextual taskbar, just go up to Window and check Contextual Taskbar to turn it on. When nothing is selected, you'll see Generate Vector on this bar. But as soon as you click your photo, it changes to Concept to Vector. Here, you'll see various AI models like GPT, GPT 1.5, or Flux, but I'm going to use the Gemini 3.0 Nano Banana Pro model today. Keep in mind that this model uses 40 credits per generation, which is plenty to create a bunch of vector art. Now, let's type in the prompt, click Generate, and we're good to go. Oh, and I'll drop all the prompts I use down in the description. Within a few minutes, your vector is ready. For this first prompt, I just asked for a simple contour art, and honestly, the result looks super realistic. Apart from those tiny gaps behind the head and in front of the beard, it turned out pretty amazing. You can easily fix or fill in those areas manually. The resemblance is really solid, too. Right before recording, I actually tested the Gemini 3.1 Nano Banana 2 model, and while the overall drawing was complete, the likeness was off and it made me look a bit older. You can also change the color of these outlines and tweak them however you like. All right, let's select the main photo again, type in our second prompt, and hit Generate. This time, I asked for a full-color vector art. A few minutes later, and boom! Wow, this looks incredible! It gave us a practically flawless result. You can easily tweak the colors and fine-tune the details, but the palette itself is stunning. To be honest, extracting these vibrant colors from a black and white image turned out amazing. Just a few years ago, we would have spent hours on a project like this, endlessly clicking with the pen tool across multiple layers, meticulously outlining the face, beard, hair, highlights, and shadows one by one. Now, all it takes is describing what you want clearly, and you get a top-tier result within minutes. I'll leave all these prompts down in the description so you can try them out. And if you test other AI models, let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. Lastly, I want to try out one more style. This time, I'm going for a flat, minimal vector design. So let's type in the prompt and hit Generate. And there it is. Honestly, this turned out awesome. It created a super usable, minimal vector that nails both the minimalism and the resemblance. To be fair, while the previous styles would have taken a lot of time to make, they were straightforward enough that I didn't expect the AI to struggle much. But this flat style actually requires some real creativity. Keeping things minimal while still making sure it actually looks like the person isn't easy. This could be incredibly useful for creative teams. Design agencies love featuring their team members on their websites with custom avatars. I've always liked that idea, but usually people settle for generic avatars or ones that barely look like them. With this method, though, you can create accurate custom avatars for every single team member. I think this is going to be a huge time saver. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like the video and leave your thoughts down in the comments. How do you like this one? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.